Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can change the ringtone in your Zoom Workplace application. So the process is quite easy, let's get started. First of all, open up the Zoom Workplace app and sign into your account. From the home page, tap the More button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the More menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Audio inside Settings. You will then see the Ringtones tab, which you should press on at the top. Now click on the Meetings tab and then you will see a list of ringtones available. Choose the sound from the Ringtones tab and tap on it. This will also preview the music. After making a selection, you can then get back to the home screen, and that's how you change your ringtone in Zoom. Quick and easy. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out for more Zoom how-tos on our channel. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.